Assistant Chief Meteorologist Victoria Cavalieri is here with us today. Per usual, Victoria, it's a pretty pleasant day today.
Yeah, it hasn't been too bad. Some locations have seen some rain, and there's still going to be that chance tonight, Wes, but it's not a washout, so that's good news. Hopefully, if you did have some outdoor plans today, maybe you squeezed them in. We've got a few stronger storms out there right now, especially over the plateau, but we've stayed relatively mild today as well. 81 in Knoxville and Maryville, 80 in Middlesboro, 75 in Morgan County there, a little bit cooler. You can see our winds are being pulled out of the southwest, and that is keeping a lot of moisture all across East Tennessee. Sweatcast right now is shaded in pink, indicating tropical moisture levels. It feels really sticky outside, and I don't think we get much of a break from the humidity as we look ahead towards this week. Let's get you caught up on the radar because we are starting to see some showers pushing into Knox County right now. I want to zoom in here. You can see some heavier rain down near Lenoir City and Bradbury, also into the Farragut area and Karnes, some pockets of rain there. This blinking green box that you see, that is an aerial flood advisory for Morgan County. It's going to continue for a few more hours. They issued that because they got in some really heavy and steady rain earlier that could be causing some localized flooding concerns. We also have another flood advisory for part of Whitley County and McCreary County in southeast Kentucky. Looks like they may have actually just issued another flood advisory there as well. These locations are drying out right now, but because of the rain they just saw, some localized flooding or ponding on roads will be possible, so plan to give yourself a few extra minutes. And of course, never drive through flooded roadways, especially at nighttime when it's so difficult to determine just how much water is on that road. We also have a thunderstorm here near Jellicoe, and then we're dodging some showers down near La Follette all the way into Maynardville. Generally, tonight's rain chances at about 40%. Cold front hasn't moved through yet, still back to our west, but it's getting there. You can see a lot of the moisture further down to our south. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has updated our severe weather risk just a smidgen. They cut out a little bit of our area here, but still most locations under that level 1 out of 5 risk for stronger storms. I do think our chance, though, to see severe storms is starting to wane, and that's because we're beginning to lose some of our daytime heating. Some locations have already seen some rain and downpours today, and that tends to stabilize the atmosphere. So our chance for stronger storms is starting to wrap up based on what we're seeing on the radar. Nonetheless, heavy rain and wind damage would be our biggest concerns with any storms that develop. Hail threat is low, as is the risk for tornadoes tonight. Overnight, we'll hold on to a lot of cloud cover. You know what that means. It's going to be warm. 69 in Knoxville, 67 in Morristown, 68 degrees, your overnight low in Athens. If you do have plans to head to the Smokies tomorrow, it's not a washout. Maybe a few showers around early in the morning. An isolated pop-up thunderstorm in the afternoon could be possible, but I really think our better rain chance is a little bit earlier in the day for your Monday. Sweatcast tells a good story. We get a slight humidity break Wednesday, Thursday, but we'll still keep it pretty muggy and sticky all across the board this week. It's going to feel more like summer with afternoon highs in the upper 80s. Tonight, though, we're down to 69 degrees. Still on the cooler side tomorrow as we hold on to some clouds, especially early. Check out the 7-day forecast. A good week to wash your car. Rain chances are pretty low, but it is going to be hot, especially Wednesday onward.
Victoria, thank you very much.